Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the difference between will and going to and where we can use it properly. Both of them are used to show the future action, what we plan to do in the future. But there are some positions that we have to use will and some positions we have to use going to. In this video I'm going to cover this topic. Before going to the topic, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about will. The first usage of will is for predicting the future. Remember, for prediction, we can use both of them. We can use going to or we can use will. There is no such big difference between them. But going to is based on evidence. Don't confuse yourself with going to and will while we want to predict the future. Use the one you are comfortable with, based on your wish and desire. The meaning of your sentences won't change. Don't worry about that. Just use which one you like. I tell you an example which both are used, will and going to. He will work hard one day and do nothing the next. You can change the example exactly as it is just by replacing the will to going to. He's going to work hard one day and do nothing the next. Both of these sentences means the same thing. There's no change in the meaning. Will and going to means to predict the future. The second usage of will is for taking an immediate decision when we want to do something in the near future. The decisions you make immediately or the decisions you make in the moment. For example, you go to the mall and you have two choices between the clothes you decided to take it. And you will say, I will prefer the blue one. I will prefer the blue one. You decided immediately. You didn't plan which one you want to choose. This is one of the usages of will for immediate decision. Let's look at these two examples. We will now go to the next part of my speech. Or I will buy that book. Or I will buy that book. The third usage of will is for making promise. When you promise to someone to do something, you have to use will. For example, I promise I will buy you a bicycle if you pass your exam. It means you promise to someone that if he or she passed his exam, you will get him a bicycle. And the last thing for will is the negative form of will, won't. It means not to do something or to refuse doing something. For example, they won't go to the cinema today, or they will not go to the cinema today. It's a negative sentence and means someone is not doing something. Or I won't study physics because I don't like it. This was the usage of will, and now let's go and look at the going to. The first usage of going to is for advanced planning. When you decide or you plan to do something in advance, you should use going to. For example, I'm going to play the guitar. It means you have a performance and you will play the guitar. You're going to play the guitar. It means it was a planned decision that you made before. Or if you say, I will leave the town next month. You planned to leave the town, but it's not 100%. Maybe you don't. But if you say, I'm going to leave the town or I'm gonna leave the town, it means you planned in advance and you 100% live there. The short form of these sentences are, I'm gonna play the guitar, or I'm gonna leave the town, or I'm going to his wedding. You planned to go to his wedding. Or I'm gonna buy a new car. It means you had a plan in your head and you gathered some money and now you are going to buy that car. The second usage of going to is when something is about to happen. For example, listen to me, I'm gonna tell you a story. You're going to tell a story for someone in a minute, and this is a thing that you will do it right now or in a minute. Or watch out, it's going to fall down. For the events that is about to happen, we use going to. This was a short introduction about will and going to. I hope you learned something. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my next video notification. And please motivate me with your likes and sharing my videos with your friends. Wish you the best.